Drinking it in.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Do you hate hearing me say that? I hate hearing it when I have to edit my videos over and over all week long and I hear, hi guys. I'm like, oh God, I can't stand hearing that. I sound like the nanny. Anyway, I just want to say thank you for tuning back in. If you've been watching my videos, if you're new here, thank you. If you want to subscribe and see DIY, oh boy, there's the dog. Don't throw out your paper towel rolls because we're going to make these. They're napkin ring holders. They're beautiful. They're easy. They're inexpensive. They're so pretty. You can make them as gifts. You could sell them on Etsy. You could decorate your table. Farmhouse. Look how pretty. Burlap. Look. Shabby Chic. White rose with burlap. Your beach house. Look at that. Your beach house. Look how pretty that is. So easy. Stay tuned. Watch my video and I'll show you how to make these. So I'm getting drifting
away, breathing you out of my lungs. Through the cosmos, and now into space. You are my oxygen.
Need your paper towel roll, an assortment of ribbons that you like, or even rope, depending on the style you want. All size ribbons for embellishing, seashells, flowers. You can use beads if you like. I love these colored beads. I might use those as well. So what you do is you take your ribbon and you wrap it around and you cut it to the length you need. Then, with your X-Acto knife, put a little cut there so you know how big you want to make it. And either you could go all around this with your X-Acto knife, or you can use your scissor if you want, which the X-Acto knife makes a better cut, but you can still trim this up after it's cut. See, I can do that. Make it even. Now for this particular one that I love, my little pretty farmhouse ones, I like the brown background because it gives it like a wood look with the pretty lace and the off-white. And it is simple as just putting your line here. Trying to make sure it's in the camera. Do that. And you could run a line around like this. And then when you get to the end, you want to do that. Put your sealing line. Notice I have chipped fingernails in the video because I don't ever use a hot glue gun unless my fingernails are chipped. Because it never fails. I'll get a manicure, I'll start creating something with a hot glue gun, and then my fingernails are chipped and they look terrible. So whenever my fingernails are chipped, that's when I start using hot glue guns.
Drinking it in, I'm drifting away, breathing you out of my lungs, up through the cosmos and out into space. You were my oxygen, but you're gone, gone, gone. Anywhere I go, I swear I can feel you. Maybe there is nothing I can do. I've been talking to your ghost. Oh, you're the only one who knows. Oh, we were so close. Almost, 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 almost. Drinking it in while I'm drifting away, breathing you out of my lungs, up through the cosmos and out into space. You were my oxygen, but you're gone, gone, gone. Anywhere I go, I swear I can feel you. Maybe there is nothing I can do.
And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more DIY videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
You're the only one who knows. Oh, we were so close.